Welcome to the in front of me Oppo A1K, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and right there on the left upper corner you will see the Wi-Fi icon, and just to turn on Wi-Fi on your device, tap here once on the Wi-Fi icon, and as can you see the item is blue. That means that you just enable the Wi-Fi, and then just to launch the Wi-Fi settings, to select the network, just hold for a while the icon, and that's it. And now just if you want to turn off your Wi-Fi, here tap once again on the icon, and that's how it looks. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just you should go to the settings application and then tap here on the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi, tap here once on the switcher on the right upper corner, and now you can select one from these available networks. And for example, we can go with the first one, and here you should enter your password from the network. In my case, that's from 1 to 8, and just here by tap on this eye icon you can see your password. And now just tap here to join and wait a couple of seconds. Okay, maybe I just entered the wrong password. No. Oh, okay. As can you see, our device successfully connected to our network. And now if you wanna select, for example, another network, you can just forget this network. So tap here to the information icon and tap to remove this network. Confirm by tap to remove. And by the same way, you can just select the other Wi-Fi network. And if you want to just turn off Wi-Fi on your device, tap here once again on the Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.